The anatomy. The anatomy. The anatomy. The anatomy. The anatomy of shapes.
Welcome back to the anatomy of shapes. In this episode, we'll be discussing the formulas of a circle. So, let's get started. I have here today Nurse Anderson and Dr. Brown here to tell us more about the formulas of a circle. Hello.
Hi, thank you, Dr. Petraka. Now how about we talk about pi?
Not the delicious baked good.
Circumference by the diameter. The answer will always be 3.14, which is pi.
But wait, what is the circumference and diameter?
Circumference is the distance around a circle, and the diameter starts at one end of the circle, goes through the middle, and ends at the other side.
Let's not forget about radius. The radius is the distance from the center to the edge, or it's half the diameter.
So all of these definitions help you get the area?
Here, I'll show you. Let's say the diameter of the circle is 8 centimeters.
Then the radius would be 4, because the radius is half the diameter.
Now that we know these, the formula of the area for a circle is pi times r squared.
Okay, so pi is approximately 3.14. Then times it by the radius to the power of 2 gives me 16. Which overall is 50.24.
Here's a tip, you should never try and find the end of pi, because it is a never-ending number.
Lastly, we will talk about the relationship between the circumference, radius, and area.
You can find the radius, because the circumference is 6 times bigger than the radius.
With the radius, you can now find the area. All of these formulas connect.
Pi is a Greek letter which also equals 3.14.
The circumference is the total distance around a circle.
The diameter starts at one end of the circle, goes through the center, and ends at the other side.
The radius is the distance from the center of the circle to the edge. That's all today on Shapes Anatomy. Join us next week when we learn how to master parallelograms.
And don't forget to celebrate National Pi Day with us on March 14th.
That's all today, folks.